Welcome to the next part of Maths chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations. In this part, we are going to solve the equations which can be reducible in its standard form. So these equations which you are going to do are not in their standard form, and they are a bit complicated, more complicated than the equations which we have solved till now. How we can simplify them, how we can bring them in their standard form and then solve them is the thing which you're going to learn in this video. Let's start. The first equation, 7 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 2, and 2 by x plus 13 by y is equal to 22. Now, when you look at this equation, the first thing which should look very weird to you, very uncommon to you, is the x and y in the denominator. They should not be in the denominator. Their place is in the numerator. If they are in the denominator, then there is something wrong with this question. It cannot be solved with the method which we have used till date, till now. So there is a need of some new method with which we can simplify these equations and reduce them and bring them in their standard form and then solve them. So I'm going to use one method now, and I want you to focus on this method which I'm using and remember it. Whenever you see such complicated equations, remember this method to use. Okay, substituting 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So wherever there is 1 upon x, in the place of 1 upon x you will write a, in the place of 1 upon y you will write b. So you will get the equation. See, these were equations 1 and 2. Okay, so the new equations which you will get it is are 7a. Okay, 1 upon x became a, so 7 multiplied by a. Initially it was 7 multiplied by 1 by x, so we replaced 1 by x with a, so it became 7a. Correct? 7a plus 8b is equal to 2, and 2a plus 13b is equal to 22. This is equation number 3, and this is equation number 4. So we have got our equation number 3 and 4. New equations which seemingly are more simple, and you can say more straightforward for us to solve. But the problem is, when you solve these two equations, that is equation 3 and 4, you are not going to get the value of x and y. You are going to get the value of a and b. After that, you have to find the value of x and y. I will show you how. Okay, I will solve the whole thing and show you how. Now, the question is, which method will I use for solving these two equations? See, I can use any method. I can use substitution, I can use equating coefficients, or I can use cross multiplication. If you ask me the formula for cross multiplication, if I remember, I would have chosen that method. But since I don't remember the formula, I'm not good at memorizing things. I'm not suggesting that you should be like me. If you have the skill of memorizing as well as applying logic, you are actually going towards the top. Okay, so I would always suggest that you master both these skills, using your logic as well as using your memory. Okay, so for me, I'm comfortable with equating coefficients, so I will choose uh, the coefficient of a in both the equation, that is 7 and 2, and I will equate them by taking LCM of 7 and 2. So LCM of 7 and 2 is 14. So how to make this 7 into 14? I have to multiply the whole equation 3 by 2. How to make this 2 into 14? I have to multiply whole equation 4 by 7. Okay, so multiplying equation 3 by 2 and equation 4 by 7. What will we get? 2 bracket 7a plus 8b is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, and here we are going to get 7 multiplied by 2a plus 13b is equal to 7 multiplied by 22. So this is equation number, wait, don't be in a hurry to number the equation so fast. First simplify this. So this will become 14a plus 16b is equal to 4, and 14a plus 13 sevens are 91. 91b is equal to 22 sevens are, see, 22 sevens is 154, 20 sevens is 140, plus 7 twos are 14, so 154. So 14a plus 16b is equal to 4 will be equation number 5, and 14a plus 91b is equal to 154 will be equation number 6. So see how many equations we are getting. Now since we have equated the coefficients, the equated coefficients, what is their sign? Both the equated coefficients have plus sign. So if they have same sign, what do we do? We subtract them. So subtracting equation 5 and 6, 14a plus 16b is equal to 4 minus 14a plus 91b is equal to 154. Little gap, this will become minus, this will become minus, this will become minus, this will get cut. 16 minus 91, or 91 minus 16. Okay, 90. Okay, 91 minus 10 is 81, and 81 minus 6, 81 minus 6 is 75. So this is 16b minus 91b. This will become minus 75b is equal to minus 150. Plus 4 minus 154 minus 150. Minus minus gets cut. 75b is equal to 150. B is equal to 150 by 75. So b is equal to 2. So we have got the value of b. Now what is b actually? So b is 1 upon y. So what you can do is, you can write b is equal to 1 upon y, b is 2, 2 is equal to 1 upon y, and therefore you get the value of y as 1 upon 2. In the place of y, you got 1 upon 2. So you already got y. Don't forget to find y, okay? Finding b is not your answer. B is just a preliminary step in finding x and y. From b, you have to get the value of y, because y is your original variable which was to be found. So y is 1 upon 2. Okay, now what we'll do? Now we can substitute the value of y in any of equation 1 or 2, and we can simplify it and get the value of x, right? Let's do that. Let's do that. So we'll substitute the value of y in equation 1. Substituting, always remember these statements which I am writing, they are compulsory. Substituting y is equal to 1 upon 2 in equation 1. 7 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 2. 7 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 2. 7 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 2. What is y? Y is 1 upon 2. Let's simplify this. So this 2 will get multiplied with 8, so it will become 16. 7 by x is equal to 2 minus 16. 7 by x is equal to minus 14. So 7 by minus 14 is equal to x. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Right? So this is the value of x, minus 1 by 2. What is the value of y? 1 by 2. That is how you need to solve these kind of questions. Equations reducible to the standard form of linear equations. Minus 1 by 2, x and y 1 by 2. Understood? Let's go to the next question. Next question looks much more complex, but not a problem. Again, the substitution method which I showed you works well. Only thing is you need to find the pattern. The equation 1 is 30 upon x minus y plus 44 upon x plus y is equal to 10, and equation 2 is 40 upon x minus y plus 55 upon x plus y is equal to 13. So since you know that you cannot take LCM, this will become much more complicated. X and y must not be in the denominator. That was the lesson we took in the previous question. X and y must not be in the denominator. So we use some third party substitution. That is, we replace x and y with some new variables so that the new variables come in the numerator and we can solve the equations further. So see, this is how the substitution is going to work. Let 1 upon x minus y is equal to a and 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. 1 upon x minus y is equal to a, 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. So 30 upon x minus y is 30a, 44 upon x plus y is 44b is equal to 10. This is your new equation. So let's number these two equations as 1 and 2, and let's number this equation, I'm sorry, not as 1. Let's number this equation as 3, right? So this was going to be 40a plus 55b is equal to 13 as equation number 4. Correct? So we have got equation number 3 and 4 with us. Now what? See, now if you choose to take LCM, equate the coefficients and all, you can do that. If you want cross multiplication method, you can do that. Whatever method you want, you can do. Solve these two equations 3 and 4 and get the value of a and b. After you've got the value of a and b, I'm going to proceed with this question ahead because I need to show you what happens after you get a and b. That is more important. Okay, so I'm not going to show you how to find a and b. That you have to do right now while watching the video. Okay, so you will find a and b. After you have found a and b, we will go ahead and solve this equation further and find the values of x and y. Let's do it. Pause the video and solve for a and b. Okay, so on solving these two equations, we get the value of a as 5 and b as 11. I hope you have solved these two equations and got these two values of a and b. So after you get the value of a and b, what? what next? 1 upon x minus y was a. Now a is 5, so 1 upon x minus y is 5. So x minus y is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, so this is your equation number 5. And 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. And b is 11. So 1 upon x plus y is equal to 11. So that means x plus y is equal to 1 upon 11. This is equation number 6. Now we have to solve equation number 5 and 6 and get the value of x and y further. So let's solve it. Let's solve this and get the value of x and y so that we can uh, confirm the answer is correct or not. So we will solve this two equations 5 and 6 by the method of elimination by equating coefficients, and we already know the coefficients of y which have opposite signs are equal, right? Plus 1 and minus 1. So adding equations 5 and 6, if you add equations 5 and 6, what you get? X minus y is equal to 1 upon 5 plus x plus y is equal to 1 upon 11, and these two gets cut. 2x is equal to 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 11. So we'll take LCM. This will get multiplied with 11 and this with 5. So 2x is equal to 11 plus 5 upon 55. So 2x multiplied by 55 is equal to 16. So 110x is equal to 16, right? Okay. So x is equal to 16 by 110. 2 8s are 2 55s are. So therefore x is equal to 8 by 55. X is equal to 8 by 55. Let's check the answer whether it is correct or not. No, x is equal to 8. Okay, so there is some mistake we made. Let's check. Let me check the value of a and b whether I'm solving it right or not. 30 upon x minus y plus 44 upon x plus y is equal to 10, and 40 upon x minus y plus 55 upon x plus y is equal to 13. Okay, so the value of a and b which we have got is a is 5, b is 11. So 1 upon x minus y, 1 upon x minus y is equal to a, which is 5, and 1 upon x plus y, which is 11. So x minus y is equal to 1 upon 5, which is correct. Hey, wait. There is one mistake which I have done. The value of a and b are not what I have taken them as. The value of a is 1 upon 5 and the value of b is 1 upon 11. Yes, the value of a is 1 upon 5 and the value of b is 1 upon 11. So 1 upon x minus y is 1 upon 5 and 1 upon x plus y is 1 upon 11. So x minus y is equal to 5, x plus y is 11, right? So we have got x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 11. There was the mistake. Let's write them again. This was 5, this was 11, and this gets, just erase it. Sorry for the mess, but yeah, we have to get the correct answer somehow. So yeah, we have to just add them. There is no point in leaving that much of space. So 2x is equal to 16 and x is equal to 16 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Here we go. We got x is equal to 8. Now, substituting x is equal to 8 in equation, let's say 2. So x plus y is equal to 11. Hey, that's not equation 2, right? That is x plus y is equal to 11 is equation 6. That's equation 6. Okay. So 8 plus y is equal to 11. So y is equal to 11 minus 8. So y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 is your answer for y. So we have got x and y, 8 and 3. That's the correct answer. So did you understand? First we simplified the given simultaneous linear equations in the form of a and b, then found the value of a and b, and then substituted the value of a and b in these equations over here to get two simultaneous linear equations in two variable in terms of x and y, and we got the equations in terms of x and y. We solved them and we found the value of x to be 8 and y to be 3. Correct. So that was equations reducible to simultaneous linear equations. Now the next is word problems. Okay, so before I go to the word problem, I want to look at the exercise and see if there are any interesting equations which I can solve for you. In yeah, yeah. So I'm interested in this exercise 6D. Okay, in 6D, question number 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 is little funny because there is just 1 upon y. We can take 1 upon y as b and solve the equations. Still not so difficult. Question number 4 is also easy. Question number 6, yeah, doable. Don't be afraid of this 8.5. You can later on get rid of the decimals. Yeah. Question number 7 has got xy on the right hand side. So they have given a hint over here. If you divide both the sides of the equation by xy, you get new equation, which is 1 upon y plus 1 upon x is equal to 2. And 1 upon y minus 1 upon x is equal to 6. And then you can solve these new equations. So seventh question hint is given to you. I'm much more interested in solving the question number 8 because that looks little different. Let's do it. Okay, let's do question number 8 for you. A by x minus b by y is equal to 0 and ab square by x plus a square b by y is equal to a square plus b square. Looks definitely very different from all the questions which we have been trying till now. Okay. So if you want to solve this kind of equation, you have to use some techniques so that these equations, see, you have to find the values of x and y. Okay, first let me be clear with that. But for finding the values of x or y, you need to simplify this equation, otherwise it's not possible. So let me just use some methods which I have not used this till now, because in regular questions I would tell you to substitute 1 upon x as something, as a, actually a is already used, so it is a little bit confusing that how to solve this. Let me try for you. So a by x minus b by y is equal to 0, right? This implies that a by x is equal to b by y, and this means that a y by b is equal to x. We have found the value of x in terms of a, b, and y. A y by b is equal to x. Now, this value of x, I need you to substitute in the second equation. So, putting x is equal to ay by b, x is equal to ay by b in. So, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. In equation 2, okay, this is going to get a little rough, so hold on. So ab square the whole upon x, and in the place of x I'm going to put ay by b plus a square b upon y is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, this is a little different method than what we used to do till now. Now this b will go up, so it will become ab cube by ay plus a square b by y is equal to a square plus b square. A gets cancelled, and we get 1 by y, which is common, bracket. Okay, if you don't want to take common, it's not a problem. Y is in the denominator, so common denominator, that means no need of taking LCM, so you can directly write them as b cube plus a square b the whole upon y is equal to a square plus b square. Correct? Now take out b common from the numerator, and you get b square plus a square the whole upon y is equal to a square plus b square. Now if a square plus b square gets cancelled from both the sides, surprise surprise, you got b by y is equal to 1, which implies y is equal to b. You got the value of y as b. Now you substitute the value of y over here. Let me show you the equation where you need to substitute. Okay, so I'm going to put y is equal to b in this highlighted part. See, I've not named this equation. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. I can name it as equation number 3, just for the sake of writing statement. There is no other meaning of naming the equation. Okay, so substituting y is equal to b, let me write an statement. Substituting y is equal to b in substituting y is equal to b in equation 3. Okay, so what you're going to get over here, ay by b is equal to x. In place of y, I'm going to write b. So a multiplied by b is equal to x. B gets cancelled, and therefore x is equal to a. There you go. So the value of y is b, and the value of x is equal to a. That is the solution of your equations, which was looking very complicated. Okay, and we didn't know that what to do with it, but as we tried simplifying it, and I didn't use any fancy methods of substitution, but I just used the method of substitution, that is your simple substitution, and I found the value of y and then x, right? So that was question number 8 for you from the exercise. See, other questions I'm not going to do it for you, so if you try yourself the other questions from exercise 6D, then I think this will become more and more easier for you. Okay, so in this video I'm going to do just this much. That was the 4th part of the chapter, and now the parts which are remaining are based on the word problems. Remember, in word problems what we are going to do is I'm just going to help you out with formation of the equations. I'm going to help you, I'm going to teach you the skill with which you can form the equations. Once you understand and learn how to form the equations, then solving is not a big deal, because that's what we have been doing till now, right? Solving the equations. In some complicated questions, I'm going to solve them for you as well, but not in all cases. So mostly our focus will be onto how to form the equations, right? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.